Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a frequency table using Excel and my own stikpetE library, or add-in actually. You can download this from my GitHub account. Here's the link, and then download it, open Excel, go for File Options and then Add-ins, and then click on Go, then Browse, go to your downloaded file, and then it should install by itself. Once you've installed it, you can actually use the functions that are in there, and one of those is the tab frequency, which is short for table frequency. I have some data here from the General Social Survey from 2012, I think, and you can simply then select the data. Be careful that it must be not the entire column, so not the entire column A, but the specific range. Hit enter, and it will actually immediately generate for you the frequencies, the percentages based on including the cases that were missing, the valid percentages, and those are the ones excluding the missing values, and the cumulative percentages, which means to keep on adding those up. In this, the valid percentages. In this case, these cumulative percentages don't mean much. It would mean that 87% was never married or less. So there's not really an order here in this marital status, but for example, if you have a Likert scale from fully disagree to fully agree, it would be something like 87% is neutral or disagreed to some extent. As you might notice, the function has a second parameter, which is the order. So if you like, you can simply actually copy paste the formula, because I'm not going to type the whole thing again. And then change the order in which they appear. So I can do a semicolon, comma, perhaps in your system. Select the order that you want them in. So here they are in a different order than above. But when I hit enter now, as you can see, it has changed the order to the way that I wanted it. Alright, and that's how you can generate a frequency table with Excel with my stikpetE add-in. If you don't want to use my add-in, I have a separate video available where I'm not using the add-in and I just go over all the steps. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.